Family, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're gonna be in the great city of Arlington, Texas. We are gonna show you what 366,000 can get you here in this area. This is gonna be a brand new construction. This neighborhood just opened a couple days ago, maybe 2 to 3 days ago. And they already sold about 10% of the neighborhood. I wanna show you the full tour, show you the product that they're selling. This one's gonna be about 1,500 square feet. It's gonna be a 3-bed, 2-bath. And I wanna show you the full tour, talk to you about the numbers, talk to you guys about the monthly payments, down payments, the requirements of what it will look like for all the first-time buyers. All right, so this is gonna be the neighborhood. Really nice new construction neighborhood. This is gonna be a pocket neighborhood, so they only bought a couple of acres and they're building about 90 homes. So after these 90 homes are completed, they're gonna be out of Arlington. Arlington, as we all know, it's in between Dallas and Fort Worth, and it's pretty much running out of land as we speak. As we're speaking. But this is gonna be the exterior. It's gonna be a beautiful 2-story home, about 1,500 square feet. It's gonna be a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. 3-bed, 2.5 bath. We're gonna have the living room downstairs, and everything else is gonna be upstairs. So this is pretty much what it will look like. This is gonna be the living room, pretty spacious. The one thing with this one, we're not really gonna technically have a dining. So most of the eating would be on the island. We wouldn't really have a dining. This is only 1,470 square feet, almost 1,500. But this is pretty much what it will look like. This is gonna be the pantry. Let's check it out. That's the pantry right there. It's a nice fridge here. This is gonna be the half bath. This one, again, it's priced at $366,000. Down payment for something like this could be around $12,000 out of pocket. The builders right now are covering their closing costs, which means all you really have to bring out of pocket is just your down payment. Right now, they are also offering a really low interest rate of a 3.99%. And basically, what that means to all of you is that the lower the interest rate is, the lower the payment's gonna be, right? So right now, the average market rate for the United States, any home around the United States, would be around 6.8%, 6.5. Right now, the rates just went back up. Most builders are still offering really good rates, but just in this neighborhood, they're gonna offer you a 3.99%, which is gonna keep your monthly payment around $2,560. This is gonna be the 2-car garage, sprinkler systems included as well. Let's check upstairs. $2,500 a month to own this home in Arlington. Right now, if you're looking in Arlington, all that you're gonna see is mostly older homes. And with older homes, you're gonna get the market rate. To have a $2,500 monthly payment, you would have to look at something that's around $270,000 in terms of the market rate. So for older homes, you pretty much are tied to only so much. But for new construction, you can buy more because the rate is lower. This is going to be one of the bedrooms. This is going to be the closet. This is the bedroom size. It fits a queen size. And this is the little hallway right in between. We're going to have the guest bath right here. The laundry room, which I really like this. Nice, beautiful tile. I have a lot of people that always ask me, Rigo, if we ever have a leak with the dishwasher, what would happen? Usually, that's why they add that pan at the bottom of those washers, right? So if you ever have leaks, that pan is connected to a tube that's going out to the outside of the home. So you will never have a leak with a washer inside of this home. So this is gonna be bedroom number 2. And still can fit a nice queen size. Closets are just gonna be your standard size, not the biggest, but also not the smallest. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this. Are you looking in Arlington? If so, have you came across monthly payments that are $2,500 a month? This is gonna be full bath number 1, which is for the guest. Really good size. Requirements. Now we're gonna talk about requirements. Requirements for something like this would be a 620 plus credit score. For this, your minimum monthly income would have to be around $5,000 a month. Obviously, that's just the minimum. And based on if you make more than the 5,000, you should be good. But we would have to look at the debts, the monthly debts, what's going out, how much money is going out to see if you qualify. But that's going to be the minimum, around 5,000 a month. Look at this beautiful large primary bedroom. It's pretty good. It's a really good size. And keep in mind, this bed is a king size. So this is gonna be the primary bathroom. We're gonna have a stand-up shower. This looks like tile, but it's not tile. It's actually one piece. So it's a one set. And this is gonna be just the one sink. We're only gonna have one sink here. We do have a lot of countertop space on the side, but it's only gonna be one sink. For this price point, it's probably gonna be the best that we're gonna see. This is gonna be the toilet. Keep in mind, Arlington, it's known for how close it is to Dallas and also to Fort Worth. It's gonna be right in between Dallas and right in between Fort Worth. We're about 10 minutes from the AT&T Stadium. That's where the FIFA soccer games are gonna be played. We're pretty much 30 minutes to Dallas, 30 minutes to Fort Worth. I have a lot of couples that tell me, hey, you know, my husband works in Dallas and I work in Fort Worth. What can we find that would be a good location for us? And typically it's really hard. There really hasn't been any homes that were available in terms of new construction within this area for this price. But this neighborhood just opened, so it is going to be limited. Right now, they have only 90 lots available. They just literally opened 2 to 3 days ago, and they already sold 10%. So if you guys are seeing this, please don't wait. This is a small pocket neighborhood. It's not going to be a crazy master plan neighborhood. There's not going to be pools or anything like that because it is a really small portion of land that they found in Arlington. So they pretty much plotted it up, put in 90 homes, and after those 90 homes are going to go out. So thank y'all guys so much for watching. Just like I said, if you want me to bring you out here, I would love to bring you out here. I would love to give you a tour and show you the beautiful homes. Not just this one, we do work with a lot of builders. That's the beauty about having a new construction realtor, that we do work with a lot of builders. So we would give you a third point of view of pros and cons for each builder, right? We're not just one-sided. We're not just gonna tell you, hey, go with this. A lot of the times, if you go to a new community, the sales rep working there, it's only representing the builder. So they're only gonna tell you their side of the story. And here we would pretty much give you the two perspectives. So if y'all are interested, feel free to text me 214-713-4398. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll be in tune on the next one.